To invest in hotels in Central Europe, and we'll start you off first for catching me out.
I feel you. Thanks. Is it time to invest in hotels in Central Europe? I think that largely depends on your perspective. There's very different places that you can come from in terms of why and how and where you would invest. And the perspective that we come from is effectively we're developing a new brand, and we need to create value on all of the three levels of the value chain in a hotel. So starting with the property side, we are looking for some of the factors that Anna was talking about in terms of low in costs per key. We're looking for RevPAR growth potential, but we're also looking for an ability to provide additional traction with our brand value. So is it a good time to invest in Europe? Yes. Do those opportunities exist? Yes, absolutely they do. But Europe as a whole is not a homogeneous place, obviously. So there are definitely parts where are pretty much a no-go for us because some of those key factors just aren't in place. And there's some that's really, really interesting. That largely is focused around the recovery of Southern European markets is how we see it this year. And obviously the tableau changes all the time. And we all know that this is a cyclical world, and there is going to be an impact in the UK from Brexit, and that probably will run through some of the European markets as well. So there's a lot that I think is going to change.
Okay, and Nicolas, a good time to invest in Europe?
Yeah, I mean, look, on our part, we have a bit of a two hats because our funds invest both in equity and buying assets and investing in joint ventures. But we also provide financing to funds, developers on any project. So on the financing side, we tend to be a bit led by wherever the capital goes, and we'll look at by project. On the equity side, as Julie was saying, I think there are pockets of growth. We don't look at Central Europe, and we stick to more established markets. But we think that within those markets, there's interesting trends. City markets that was mentioned, like Madrid, Paris recovery, but also more like geographical pockets like Southern Europe, resorts in Spain, the Canaries, Greece, and also bringing more quality product in Italy, mainly Milan and Rome, which have a lot of rooms, but a lack of brands and a lack of established modern products, which we think offer opportunities. So we tend to look along those lines really.
Thanks. So on the basis that we